That's, I mean,
that's what we've got. ABATE. We got a lot of members from ABATE going to be here. Most of us are ABATE members also. ABATE's going to be here. Sons of Liberty Riders are going to be here. They said we don't know what's going on. We're going to gather information. That's why we're here.
Let's make one thing I think you can say, why this is happening right now. I mean, what do you believe this is happening right now?
Daytona Bike Week's going on right now. So you're going to have the most amount of bikes traveling on I-95 that you'll have at any time of the year. That's why they're holding on I-95 right now.
And we're not sure why